Imposition. The Imposition Express software is to make wedding albums ready for printing and the process really easy. Now after opening the software, you'll find multi ways to bring in images you want to print. Just browse from here to bring in the images. Here you'll see the album pages are imported. Now before you go for imposition, make the album pages ready for it. You can adjust the color tone here of the album pages according to the color gamut of your printer. Just select the album pages you're going to print to adjust the color tone. From the edit option here, color correct option is selected. Here, adjust the color value of the album pages like this. Now access the navigator to go on to the next page. You may skip the page if you do not wish to apply any color correction. You can check this checkbox to apply changes to all the images. Now save your color corrected album pages from here. Select the album pages and keep your mouse pointer on it, and you'll see an icon appears. Use the Enhance option from the Advanced Photo Editing tool. You may also rotate images individually from here. The album pages you're going to print can be resized according to the actual printing area of your printer. Select the album pages and choose the Resize option from here. Here, all the album pages are selected for resizing. You'll need to resize only the spread album pages. So we will deselect the first and the last album page as they are single pages and not spread. Now uncheck the checkbox of the album pages you do not want to resize. You can either reduce the value of the basic percentage of the original size, or you can go on to the size option where you have various ready size formats to choose from. You can also add in your own size or even edit the existing sizes to suit your resizing requirement. Click on the Edit button here and a window will appear. Here you can see the available sizes. Now select any size and edit it, or add a new size by clicking on the Add option. Define the sizes name here. Define the units and the DPI. Also define the page, the height and width. You may also flip the orientation by clicking on the flip icon. Now save the sizes with the Save option. The sizes will be added to the list. Now close the window. Select the size from the drop-down menu and see the changes from here. Now if you want to maintain the aspect ratio while resizing, check the Maintain Aspect Ratio checkbox. Whenever you change the size, the quality indicator indicates the quality of the print. If the indicator turns red here, it means the output is not in printable quality. Save the album with the new size with the Save or the Save As option. Now if you're trying to print album pages of a 12 by 36 size on an offset printer, the pages need to be split to be able to print. Here, the software will automatically split the album in two equal parts. Choose the album pages from the Split option here and go on to the Split window. Here, you can define the location path to save the split album pages. Now if you've selected the album pages of multi-sizes for splitting, then you can check the Smart Split option. You can also split only those pages which are the same size, having a maximum count according to the selected pages. Now save the output with the Save button. Now say if you want to insert a blank page to any location of the album, you can simply insert it from here. In the Edit option here, you'll get the Create Blank Page option. This option is quite helpful when you're imposing an album which starts from the right. Now in this case, a blank page needs to be inserted at the starting and at the end of the album. Choose the Create Blank Page option and a window will appear. Here, define the name for the blank page. Also choose the size of the blank page from here, or a new size from the Edit option. Click on the OK once the desired size of the blank page is selected, and a blank page will be added. And in the same way, create blank pages for the last page as well. Now drag and drop the blank page onto the desired location. Now as we have split the spread pages, you can now resize the single pages in the same size of the split pages. So at the time of imposing, all the pages would be of the same size. Here select the single pages, and if you've added any blank page, also want to resize it, select them too. Now choose the Resize option. Here select the size from the resizing or create a new size. Here, a new size for imposing has been defined according to the split pages of the album. The pages have been saved. Now while imposing and then binding the album pages, they'll all need to be in a proper order. This order can be maintained by renaming them in a particular format. Select the album pages you want to impose in the package and choose the rename option. Here, define the renaming format. For your knowledge, a sample name format has been defined here. You can also access the previous renaming formats defined by you. A new series for the name will be defined from here. You can see the preview of the new name you're going to give to the files. Save the album pages or the pages with the new name format from here. Now say if you want to print a logo on the page, you can set it before imposing. Suppose you want to print a logo on the left pages at the bottom left side and the right pages on the bottom right side. You can simply set them with the print logo option. Select the left pages first and select the print logo option. Now browse and select the logo image. You can see the preview of the logo. Manage the imposing of the logo from here. Here, define the width and the height of the logo in pixels for the respective text boxes. You can also insert the margins for the logo from here. Now save or save as the images. And in this way, you can set the logo at the bottom right corner on the right pages. Now say if you want to put a watermark onto the album pages, you can set it from the watermark option. Just select the album pages on which you want to put the watermark and select the watermark option. Now if you want to put an image as a watermark, select the image option. Browse from here and select the image. You can also put some text as watermark. Select the text option and define the text from here. Here define the position. Set the opacity of the watermark from here. Now save the changes with the save or save as option. If you want to print multi-copies of the album pages, select the pages and select the number of prints option. Define the number of copies from here. Similarly, you can double click on any image and define the number of prints. Now once your album pages are ready for imposing, you can start the imposition. Select the album pages and move on to the next window. Here you have various ready packages for imposing, and that too for various page sizes. Just select the page size from the drop-down menu according to your printer. Here the available package for the selected page size are displayed. You can see various details here like the page size, the print size of the single album page on the page, and also the sizes of the selected album. Say if you want to have cut marks or file names on the print, you can add them from here. This aids easy cutting and binding. Now if you're printing a file name, you can set the parameters for that too. Select the font type, the size and the position of the file name from the settings icon. Selecting the crop option will crop and adjust the album pages in the print area, whereas selecting the fit option will fit the album pages in the area. Click on the next button here to proceed with the package generation. The preview option allows you to set the preview of the packages that is going to be generated with the selected image and the package. You can generate the JPG or PDF file of the created package according to your printer with the JPG or PDF option, or you can also directly print it with the print option. Here, let's have a preview first. Here packages will be generated and displayed. Navigate through the pages and view other packages too. Now once you finalize the package, get the JPG or PDF of the package from this window. Now if you want JPG output, select the JPG option. Give the package a name and also define the path of saving the package. Here you can optimize the quality or the file size as per your requirement. Save the package with the OK button. Now if your printer supports only PDF printing, select the PDF option and get the PDF of the album pages in the selected package by defining the saving path. Now here the packages given in Imposition Express are standard packages. If you're looking for any odd size for printing, you can create the package for it and save it for further access. Here, select the new option. By simply defining some parameters, you can easily create a package. First, you need to define the height and the width of the package you're going to print on your printer. Define the margins from here. You can manage the orientation of the page from the landscape to portrait or from portrait to landscape from here. The print size of a single page album on the page can be defined from here. Here, define the width and the height of the page. According to the page you defined, the print sizes can be adjusted on the page. Define the gutter space from here. You can also define only the height and width and generate other parameters according to the aspect ratio. To do so, check the Lock Aspect Ratio checkbox. You can flip the orientation of the print sizes from here. By defining the imposition type, you can get the package ready. Here, select the imposition type from simplex and duplex. Now if you're doing duplex imposition, you can further select the binding type of the prints and get accurate imposition. Now here are not binding pages. Select the non-binding option. Now if you're going to perfect binding, select the perfect binding option. And if you're going in for saddle switch printing, select the saddle switch option. When you select duplex printing option, the back side of the page appears in the gray shade. Now once all the parameters are set, you can select the created package and the print sizes as well. The printing sizes are numbered according to the binding type you've selected. Now if your printer doesn't support automatic tumbling, you can tumble the print size in the package and get the album pages auto-tumbled. Select the album pages you want to tumble like this. Now use this rotate 180 degree icon to tumble the page. The album pages will be rotated and you will now see the arrow facing down. To reset the tumbling, use the reset icon. Now once the package is ready, save the package with the save button. Define the category of the package if you want to save it under and give it a name. The package will be saved. Now select the package size from here and select the created package. Follow the same procedure of output generating as stated in this video earlier.